David the DNA was just chilling in the nucleus. He realized all the other cool DNA were coding for amino acids and proteins. David wanted to be like them, and he knew what he had to do first. We got my dude, other DNA, saying, I just did protein synthesis. David the DNA doesn't even know what that is. Protein synthesis? What's that garbage? Alright. Transcription. David knew what to do. He was a little nervous. He knew he had to unwind himself at the right location. If he messed this up, he would code for the wrong amino acid. Transcription all over his mind right now. David needed some help, so we called up his friend, Ernie the enzyme. Some people call him DNA polymerase. Ernie was going to line up all of David's nucleotides so he could make a complementary strain of DNA. Thanks, dude. You can see on his picture, double helix going to unwinded double helix, not a double helix. David's new strand of mRNA, Randy, had to follow a few rules. All Randy's A's were now paired to U's, and his C's were now paired to G's. Also, his T's would pair to A's, and his G's would pair to C's. Dude, we're so complimentary. Yeah, bro. And they're all color-coded to what they would go to. David and Randy. David knew after transcription was complete, he'd have to let Randy go. David was sad, but he knew Randy would go on and do better things, like translation. So off Randy went into the cytoplasm to start this new step. See you later. For the cytoplasm, Randy ventured through the cytoplasm until he arrived at his destination. He arrived at the ribosome, the site of protein synthesis. Here Randy meet his twin brother, Terry, tRNA. Hey Terry, it's kind of hard to see because it's yellow, but it says, yo, come on in. At the ribosome, Terry and Randy binded to the ribosome. Here, tRNA anticodons would match to mRNA's codons. A codon or anticodon is 3 base pairs in the nucleotide. And he's saying, bro, we're making amino acids up in here. The ribosome slid down Randy so that Terry moves over and his new codons take his spot. The ribosome moves from codon to codon on the mRNA, and amino acids are added one by one. At the end, a release factor binds to the stop codon, terminating translation and releasing the polypeptide. Binding to the stop codon, change released. News wakes us way back to David, and he's ecstatic. He finally went through protein synthesis. He was finally cool. He's saying woohoo, reading the newspaper. David, you made a protein. We know. Or at least he thought he was. He then realized all the really cool DNA went through protein synthesis multiple times. So David started over and over again. Dude, I've done it like 9 times already. Oh, well, time to start over then. Boom shakalaka.